Hey, this PoeticWhiz. We are going to review the Moto G Power 6.4 inch 1080p Snapdragon 665, 32 GB with 3 GB RAM, 64 GB with 3 GB RAM, and 64 GB with 4 GB RAM. They come 3 variants and battery life of 5000 mAh and 16 megapixel plus ultra wide and plus mono camera, front speaker and headphone jack. They are priced in 250 USD and 300 for G stylus. Here are my thoughts on the Moto G Power. It's great to see Moto do a great job, just the way Nexus used to do in its early days. And surprised as well feel good. You get to see a smartphone come with a headphone jack, even when most people have made a move towards a wireless earphone. But a few people like me still prefer a headphone jack. Let me know if you still use a headphone jack or you are truly moved to wireless. I'm quite happy with overall what Moto G Power is giving. I like how Moto has taken inspiration from other smartphone companies and given out something great at a budget friendly price. I feel whatever model you choose to go with, it will be great, especially considering how Moto is good with software optimization as well features they provide. If you are a Moto fan or looking for a budget friendly product, this is the one you should go for, especially for the price you are paying. Till then, do let me know your thoughts on the Moto G Power. As well, do not forget to subscribe to PoeticWhiz. Till then, do live your dream.